plain old yellow mustard. All right. And we're going to use the mustard because it's going to help keep the rub on. You take a little bit of the pork privilege, all right, and you get it all over this shoulder. Oh yeah, look at that. All right. Don't rub it, if you know what I'm saying. All right. So here we got the smoker set. We'll just place it that side up. And the only thing left to do now is sit back and watch it smoke.
Put some paint on it.
Oh, there we go. There we go, man. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh, man. Look at that. Man. Beautiful. We got to check this out. We got a mopper, man. Oh, man. I'd say we're about... about 4 hours into this, and so get it on there.
Slap with the mop. Good, right?
Perfect.
Wow.
All right, thumbs up. All right. It's time for the wrap. Some call it Texas cheat. And so we'll take our forks. And we'll do a wrap. So we're going to go right back on the smoker and just, you know, wait another couple hours. All right. Thumbs up, man. Look at that. Get that off. Thank you. Look at that. Touching it is just blown apart. Oh, you smell that? Now this is gonna kick it up because after all, this is privilege. Man. Gonna be good.
We're gonna put that super soaker right on there.
Man.
You know how everyone likes that nice and juicy.
I'm ready. I'm standing in. This is the chow line. Now, pork shoulder is fairly inexpensive, all things considered. I think it was about $1.80 a pound, right? We're watching this 100 years in the future.
It's like a little, you know, we'll sit
Yeah, set up the way you
We're in the north.
A little bit of sauce in there. Nothing wrong with that.
Mama.
Nothing wrong with
Follow
that.
me in.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.